So your styler won't turn on. You might be tempted to set it aside, or worse, try wiggling the cord and plugging it in just one more time. The dreaded Dyson won't turn on issue is a surprisingly common problem. After our diagnostics, we often find the culprit is a faulty PCB. Think of the PCB as the Airwrap's brain. When it fails, it can't send signals to the motor or heater. Your high-tech styler has essentially become a very expensive, very sleek paperweight. Ignoring it won't help, and a DIY fix could cause even more damage. Before you risk a meltdown, let us get your Dyson back to styling. At RoboCare, we handle the faulty PCB issue safely and professionally, preventing that worst-case scenario. We don't guess. We use professional-grade diagnostic equipment to confirm the failure points on the circuit board with pinpoint accuracy. Our workshop is equipped with micro-soldering stations designed for this kind of delicate, high-stakes work. We carefully replace the damaged components with genuine parts, effectively giving your Airwrap a brain transplant. This precision Dyson Airwrap repair restores your device's core functionality safely and effectively. But seeing is believing. Don't just take our word for it. Let's show you the results. And just like that, it's back. Our expert technicians have restored full power, getting this Airwrap back to performing flawlessly. Your perfect hair day is saved. Got a powerless Dyson or any other device issue? Book your repair today. Visit our website or call us today.